Locally owned and operated, Pohanka of Salisbury prides itself on excellence in customer satisfaction. We'll take care of you before, during, and long after the sale. Here's the vehicle for you.
This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading is a great advantage among other benefits offered on this ride, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Call today to schedule a test drive.
At Pohanka of Salisbury, excellent customer service is very important, and that's why the majority of our business is repeat and referrals. Be sure to check out our hassle-free internet purchasing process with no hidden fees, no hidden games, and no smoking mirrors. We deliver anywhere in the country. Join the Pohanka of Salisbury family today. We're conveniently located at 2015 North Salisbury Boulevard in Salisbury, Maryland.